Hi friends, welcome to the channel The Nurse. Here we are discussing about medical abbreviations. Most important medical abbreviations that asked previous examination. So if you are not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. Please like, share and subscribe. We will go to the topic medical abbreviations. First question. A physician orders tab pantoprazole 40 mg AC orally every morning. What does AC means? A physician orders tab pantoprazole 40 mg AC orally every morning. What does AC means? This AC. After meal, before meal, with milk, with food. Correct answer is before meal. AC means antecibum, that is a Latin word that means before meal. AC antecibum, that is a Latin word, means before meal. PC, that is postcibum, that means after meal. AC means before meal, PC means after meal. Next question. MDMA is an illegal drug, psychoactive drug known as ecstasy or molly. What is the chemical name of MDMA? MDMA is an illegal drug, act as psychoactive drug known as ecstasy or molly. What is the chemical name of MDMA? Options: methylene dioxymethamphetamine, methyl dioxyamphetamine, monodioxide monoamphetamine, monodiuretic monoamphetamine. The correct answer is methylene dioxymethamphetamine. MDMA is a serious addiction causing drug. If it is used, the person will get an extreme ecstasy, happiness mood, and it is an illegal drug. If you have these medicines, you may get arrested by police. So be careful. Next question. What is the full form of the last letter L and P in HELP syndrome? What is the full form of L and P in the HELP syndrome? HELP syndrome, that is the L and P last letters. Liver platelet, low platelet, lung position, lack of platelet. Correct answer is low platelet. HELP syndrome means hemolytic elevated liver enzyme with low platelet. Hemolysis, elevated liver enzyme and low platelet. It usually due to the complication of high blood pressure during pregnancy. HELP syndrome usually due to as a complication of high blood pressure during pregnancy. HELP syndrome usually develops before 37 weeks of pregnancy, or sometimes it will happen after delivery also. HELP syndrome usually happens before 37 weeks of pregnancy. In some cases, it may happen after the delivery also. Next question. To determine the level of anxiety of patients, HADS scoring is used. What is HADS? To determine the level of anxiety of patients, HADS scoring is used. What is HADS? Hospital Anxiety and Depression Scale, Hospital Anxiety and Disease Score, Hospital Arrival Depression Scale, Hospital Acquired Disease Score. Correct answer is Hospital Anxiety and Depression Scale. Hospital Anxiety and Depression Scale. HADS scale is usually used in Western countries, not common in India. So it is used to assess the anxiety level of hospitalized patients while the time of admission. Next question. A delay in the CRT indicates hypoperfusion of the skin. What is CRT? A delay in the CRT indicates hypoperfusion of the skin. What is CRT? Circulation release time, central reflex time, capillary refill time, capillary release time. Correct answer is capillary refill time. A delay in the capillary refill time indicates hypoperfusion of the skin. Capillary refill time we will check in fingertips. We will press and we will check how fast the red color returns. Normal CRT, that is capillary refill time, less than 2 seconds. If it is more than 2 seconds, indicates hypoperfusion of the skin, that is decreased blood flow to the body parts. Next question. In 12 lead ECG, one of the lead is a AVR. What is the full form of AVR? In 12 lead ECG, one of the ECG lead is AVR. What is the full form of AVR? Atrioventricular lead, atrioventricular right, augmented ventricular right, augmented view right. Correct answer is augmented view right. AVR means augmented view right. Here is an example of ECG. This is AVR. AVR means augmented view right. That lead we are placing on the right hand. This is AVL. That is the limb lead we are placing left hand, and full form of AVL means augmented view left. Then third one is AVF. AVF means augmented view foot. That leads we are keeping in left foot of the patient. So that is the 3 limb leads we are in 12 lead ECG. AVR, AVL, AVF. The right foot placing lead, it is a neutral lead, so it is not mentioned. Only left foot lead is AVF. Next question. Aperture scoring is important at critical care setting. What does it mean? Aperture scoring is important at critical care setting. What does it mean? Acute physiology and critical health evaluation, acute physiology and chronic health evaluation, assessment of physiology and chronic health evaluation, actual process of chronic health evaluation. Aperture scoring. Correct answer is acute physiology and chronic health evaluation. Aperture scoring means acute physiology and chronic health evaluation. Aperture 2 is nowadays using. That means the total hemodynamics will assessed by the doctor or nurse. At the time of admission, the doctor or nurse will assess the total hemodynamics of the patient and get a baseline value, and the scoring will continue daily basis. So we can doctor or nurse can understand the patient's improvement or deterioration. That is why aperture score is using. Next question. When assessing hospital acquired infection rate, WAP plays important role. What is WAP? When assessing hospital acquired infection rate, WAP is important. What is WAP? Volume aspirated pneumonia, ventilator associated pneumonia, ventricular associated pneumonia, ventilator assessment protocol. WAP. Correct answer is ventilator associated pneumonia. After the ICU admission and intubations, the ventilator, the chance of getting pneumonia is more if it is not taken any precautions. To prevent the ventilator associated pneumonia, we will keep the patient in minimum 30-degree head end elevation, and we will make frequent suctioning, oral and tracheal suctioning, and frequent positioning, that is every 1 or 2 hour position change. That will helps to drain the uh, secretions. So in this case, we can prevent VAP, that is ventilator associated pneumonia. Ventilator associated pneumonia, any pneumonia develops after the 24 hours of intubation or after the 24 hours of intubation. So next question, TPA is widely known as clot buster, is a life-saving treatment for stroke and heart attack. What is the expansion of TPA? TPA is widely known as clot buster, is a life-saving treatment for stroke and heart attack. What is the expansion of TPA? Tissue platelet aggregator, tissue protein activator, tissue plasma activator, tissue plasma, total plasma activator. TPA. Correct answer is tissue plasma activator. TPA used for thrombolysis therapy immediately after diagnosing heart attack due to atherosclerosis or any blood clots. In same condition also atherosclerosis due to stroke, in that cases also we will use TPA, that is thrombolysis therapy with TPA will help to resolve the clot or the clog formation due to the blood clots. Next question, cerebral blood flow can be assessed using TCD. What is TCD? Cerebral blood flow can be assessed using TCD. What is TCD? Transcervical Doppler, transcranial Doppler, transcutaneous Doppler, total carotid Doppler. TCD. Correct answer is transcranial Doppler. TCD means transcranial Doppler. It is a color Doppler. It is a type of color Doppler used to assess the blood circulation to the brain. Transcranial Doppler is a type of Doppler ultrasonography that measures velocity of the blood flow through the brain's blood vessels by measuring the echoes of ultrasound waves moving transcranially, that is through the cranium. Transcranial Doppler is a type of Doppler ultrasonography that measure the velocity of blood flow through the brain blood vessels by measuring the echoes of ultrasound waves moving transcranially. Next question, what is STEMI? What is STEMI? Systolic myocardial infarction, ST depression myocardial infarction, ST elevation myocardial infarction, stent required myocardial infarction. STEMI. Correct answer is ST elevation myocardial infarction. STEMI means ST elevation in ECG. There is a predominant sign of ST elevation, that is the sign of myocardial infarction. ST elevation myocardial infarction. Here, this is a baseline of ECG. This is ST segment. Q, R, S. This is ST segment. So, ST segment is elevated from the baseline. ST elevation myocardial infarction is a very serious type of heart attack. ST elevation myocardial infarction is a serious type of myocardial attack or myocardial infarction. ST segment elevation is an abnormality detected in the 12-lead ECG. The main feature is ST segment elevation. From baseline of the ECG, the ST segment is elevated. Usually it will be here. So here elevated. Next question, what is PPI in pharmacology? What is PPI in pharmacology? Personal protective instruments, personal pharmacology instruments, proton pump inhibitor, plasma protein intake. PPI. Correct answer is proton pump inhibitor. Example of a proton pump inhibitor is pantoprazole. It is used to prevent the gastritis. Next question. In some condition, PEG is used to provide nutrition to the patient. What is PEG? In some condition, PEG is used to provide nutrition to the patient. What is PEG? A measuring device, percutaneous endoscopic gastrostomy, protein extra added gastric feed. What is PEG? Correct answer is percutaneous endoscopic gastrostomy. If Rayos tube insertion is practically impossible, we will insert PEG for giving food. Here is an example of PEG, that is, it is inserted percutaneously from outside of the body, and a balloon is inflated through this wall. So we can give feed through this wall and it is fixed here. Next question. In pulmonary function test, the nurse noticed FRC is 2 liter. What is the full form of FRC? Correct answer is forced respiration, options: forced respiration capacity, functional residual volume, full respiration capacity, free residual volume. The correct answer is functional residual volume. FRC means functional residual volume. Next question. Followed by a RTA, that is road traffic accident, a patient brought to the casualty with head injury. The neurosurgeon has assessed the CT brain report and diagnosed as DAI. What is the full form of DAI? Followed by a road traffic accident, the patient brought to the casualty with head injury. The neurosurgeon has assessed the CT brain report and diagnosed as DAI. What is the full form of DAI? Discharge against illness, descending artery injury, diffuse axonal injury, none of these. Correct answer is diffuse axonal injury. Diffuse axonal injury is a type of traumatic brain injury. So, DAI means diffuse axonal injury. DAI or diffuse axonal injury is a result of traumatic shearing forces that occurs when the head rapidly accelerated or decelerated, as may occur in car accidents, falls and assaults. Vehicle accidents are more frequent cause of diffuse axonal injury. It can also result of a child abuse, such as in shaken baby syndrome. So, diffuse axonal injury is also due to the child abuse, that is shaken baby syndrome. So, that is about the medical abbreviation part of this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel, The Nurse. So, best wishes for your AIIMS NORCET exam. We will meet you in next video.